Guys, today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on profile down here, and you just click here on profile. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down, you keep going down here, then you click here on notification settings, you just click on it here. So then when you click here on notification settings, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Come here to remind me to resell here my every season tickets in time. So can you disable it here for email and here for app, that like you say it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.